Well, g'day everyone. Unless you're new to the channel, you're probably aware I'm building a big greenhouse out the back and have ordered a whole heap of stuff from Temu to sort of fit it out. You know, some lights and fans and plant stands and those sort of things. And I've got a different one. That came out wrong, didn't it? I was at Aldi the other day and they had some of their plant stands. And it was a special buy. And this one was half price. I'll put the original price up there if I can find it. But it's going to be interesting to compare to the Temu ones we got. And this is it. Where are we? Which way around? There we are. Oh, quite heavy. Nesting flower steps. How do flowers nest? Anyway, let's open it up, put it together and see how it compares to our $30 odd Temu ones that we bought. I do have some Aldi stepped plant holders out the front. We might go and have a look to see how that's holding up after about, I suppose 3, maybe 4 years. Pretty rusty. Anyway, let's get this one together. Nicer than Temu. They use cardboard as packing rather than plastic. Yeah, it's the same material as the one out the front, by the look of it. Sort of this painted metal. We have legs. We have instructions. More metal bits. More paper. Some more metal bits. Got a packet of screws in here, isn't it? Yep. One packet of nuts and bolts. So, have a look at the little one. There he is there. Quite what seems to be solid metal. But as I said, if we look at the one I've got out the front later on, you'll see how much it's rusted in just a few years. We'll see how this compares to the Temu ones after a while. So let's start with our little one. So I'll get the little legs, open up the box. And they're a nice black painted nut and bolt by the look of it. Or is it just a bolt? Just a bolt, I think. Let's have a quick look at our instructions. It's meant to look like when it's finished. Indeed. Right, these are the backing pieces. And there are 3 different lengths. Line them up at that end. 3 different lengths. So that'll be for our small table, which is what we're going to do first. For some reason my camera keeps turning off. So we've got the other long legs. Make sure we've got that hole, same direction. Pop it there. Start these off. Now this one we're not going to tighten. It's finger tight. Make sure these are flush at either end. Okay, it's not quite flush, so I've got to loosen them off again. There we go. Now we need our large sticker on it, which we won't worry about because we're not doing these as decorative. We've got the holes at the same end, which is good. There we go. Oh, Didn't realise. Came with them. Good old Aldi. Give you the tools as well. But I'm not sure it's any easier. It most certainly isn't. Well, it's nice they give you the tools, but they're crap. Making sure our bar doesn't actually twist. So I'll get the last of them done. We'll come back and have a look at how they appear once they're complete. Back soon. So here's my Aldi 3-tiered plant stand. Now, ignore the fact the plant's mostly dead. We've had a few hot days and it sort of killed them off. If we come in and have a look, we can see just how rusty it's become. It's lost most of its coating. Nice patina, I suppose you would say. But given it's only 3 or 4 years old, I'm not sure it's all that good. We've got a particularly bad bit up here. In here you can see it's almost rusted through and rust is flaking off. So I don't think I'll get more than another year out of that. So there we go. This is the $36 Temu one. That was a really cheap but kind of overpriced plastic one. And there's our Aldi one. So they can come out like that and you get your 3-tiered. Much more solid, quite weighty, larger shelves than the Temu one. But as I showed you, I don't think it'll last very long. Maybe 4 years, but we'll have to see how the other ones go too. So what do you reckon? Which one would you buy? The Aldi, the plastic, or the wire Temu one? Honestly, I think I'll go back to the Aldi, even though they do rust out. They're not terribly expensive if you wait around and get the special deal, as long as there's some left. But they don't last more than 4 years. It's a bit of a worry, isn't it? Everything's so disposable. Anyway, if you want to see how they go once they're in the shed or greenhouse, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.